In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect shields in Monopoly Go. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign in to your Monopoly Go. So shields are these things that you'll find at the upper right of your screen. You can collect shields by constantly rolling your dice on Monopoly Go, and you'll need to land on this area where you'll find the shield icon to be able to get shields for your account. Once you roll the dice, you'll get redirected into a new place on the board. Collecting shields is easy if you constantly play Monopoly Go, since for once in a while you'll be able to land on one of the shields. Once you land on one of the shields, you'll be able to collect shields on Monopoly Go. So as you can see in here, I just landed on one of the shields, and you'll need to constantly roll your dice to be able to land on one of the shields for once in a while. And that's how you can simply collect shields in Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.